Chris, I have four kids in my house, and no sooner than the governor made his announcement, my 18-year-old, who'll be 18 tomorrow, came running into the room to announce to me that the governor said he could leave home. So, as a parent, I am concerned because what I know is that when I look at the data that we receive from our public health department each day, our numbers are going up. We get a count at noon and we get one at 7 p.m. When I look at the 24-hour period for the 7 p.m. count we got today, our death rate is up by almost 14%. Our positives up almost 7%, and we are not testing asymptomatic in people with mild symptoms. And so it concerns me. I have a great working relationship with our governor, but I did not speak with him before he made this announcement. I spoke with Mayor Hardy Davis, who is the mayor of Augusta, Georgia, the second largest city in the state. He did not speak with the governor. I've spoken with several leaders across the state. So we really are at a loss, and I am concerned as a mother and as the mayor of our capital city.
Well, the governor makes the talking to him part easier because he says, you don't have to talk to me because you can't undo this. No locality can overturn this statewide reopening. Now, that's a political play to make this uniform and for him not to have to deal with infighting. And that's okay on one level. But now the bigger concern will rest directly on his shoulders, which is why, Madam Mayor, we invited him on tonight. The governor's invited every night to come on and make the case on this. He says you guys are in a better position than you were a month or so. And the data shows that over the last couple of weeks, you've seen a flattening in cases. Is that enough for you to have confidence that there's enough testing capacity, there's enough treatment capacity of what could happen in Atlanta, which is a huge density area?
Chris, if we're in a better position, it's because we have been aggressive in asking people to stay home. That's why we are in a better position. Our metro area has about 6 million people, more than half the population in the entire state, but we have less than half of the people who have tested positive. Where are our hot spots? Our hot spots are in areas like Bibb County around Macon that didn't shut down. When we open up houses of worship, we have to think about Albany, Georgia, which has had one of the worst outbreaks in the country. That by and large came from two funerals. And so I'm perplexed that we have opened up in this way. And again, I can't stress enough, I work very well with our governor, and I look forward to having a better understanding of what his reasoning is. But as I look at the data and as I talk with our public health officials, I don't see that it's based on anything that's logical.